This is the 10th lecture of the Semantic SEO course. In this lecture, we will talk about the image URL and the image art. Basically, what you can see here is the expansion of further synonyms from these sections. What we use, what are the appear in title tags, we basically expand it further with a different vocabulary to make them more relevant. For example, here you can see the fauna word in a title tag. We use the synonyms that we did not use before. Here, the vegetation is the synonym of the fauna. And you also notice something that in the URL we use just one words, but in image URL we use two or three words. Basically, in an image URL we use just two or three words. We did not exceed. In some cases, these are the different situations. And the one thing that you should need to know is we use some word distance concepts. For example, here you can see the coast and the Germany. They have a lot of distance between the words. But in this image art, we close the distance between the coast and the Germany. These are some word distance techniques that we can use to make more relevance in the eyes of search engine. We use the unique images to show the human effort. We use the images that search engine already not see, and in the code section, because this is more important, now you can see here we use more enrichment in a vocabulary rather than in an outer section, and you can see here some long words rather than the outer section. In a core section we use further enrichment in a vocabulary, and we use more synonyms to create more overall relevance. In the next lecture we will see the specific live example of these image URL and the image alt tags.